Hey guys, it's Emily and Noodle here, my queen.
Oh, we should get rid of that picture.
This is my queen, and she's in some serious heat right now.
Do one more
Look
time.
at her.
One more time. I adjust the exposure. Stop
Jesus.
moving.
Hey guys, it's Emily and Noodle here, my queen, and she's in some serious heat right now. For those of you who also have queens at home, I'm gonna show you guys how to help your queen when she's in heat. Oh yeah, okay, ready? Okay, so what you wanna do is, when your queen's in heat, she's probably gonna lie down like this. And in my case, because Noodle's a Bengal, she'll start chirping a little bit. It's super cute. And what you want to do is, if you want to get lower for a better angle, you'll see right here she'll move her tail to one side, and you just want to find that little pocket at the base of the tail that's really close to her asterisk, and you just want to go down and pull, and then she'll start making that really sexually erotic noise. I know you guys probably think I'm crazy right now, but this really works. Yeah, and then just make eye contact. She'll start doing this with her little feet. It's so cute. But this, believe it or not, kind of simulates what she does in the wild. And then she'll run away and start rubbing herself and cleaning herself. She says she feels dirty. That's totally normal, by the way.